Hi viewers, welcome to exploring creative bookmark styles. In this tutorial, I will take you through the variety of imaginative ways to craft your own bookmarks. These personalized bookmarks will not only keep your place in your favorite books, but also add a touch of flair and personality to your reading experience. Whether you are an avid reader, a crafting enthusiast, or someone looking for a fun and practical project, this tutorial is for you. Material needed: cardstocks, decorative paper, scissor, glue, hole punch, ribbons, yarn or tassels, stamps, markers or colored pencil, laminating sheet or clear adhesive plastic wrap. Cut small rectangles and colorful cardstock. Decorate one end of each rectangle and patterned paper and doodles. Fold the decorative end diagonally to create a triangle tab. Apply glue to the back of the tab and attach it to the corner of a page, securing the tab in place. Second, scrapbook charm. Cut a largest rectangle from decorative paper and magazine pages. Punch a hole near the top of the rectangle. Thread a ribbon or string through the hole and tie it in the knot or bow. Optionally, add stickers, stamps, or small cutouts of personalize the bookmarks. Third, elegant tassels. Cut a rectangle piece from a solid colored cardstock. Decorate one side with subtle design using markers or stamps. Punch a hole near the top of the rectangle. Attach a tassels to a piece of ribbon through the hole. Fourth, nature whimsy. Cut a bookmark shape. Decorate the shape in intricate drawings. Punch a hole at the top of the shape. Thread a colorful yarn or twine through the hole to create it. You have now mastered at the art of crafting unique and stylish bookmarks, whether you prefer quick yarn to complete it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.